Let's go! Another day, another Pokemon Gundam pack opening. Starting today's Pokemon Pitch Black. Let's see what we get today, guys. There's the code. Starting off, Water Energy. Electric, Slowpoke, Pick-a-Pick, Tropius, Slowbro, Misty Vitality, Manectric, Reverse Hollow Dumbus, Reverse Hollow Slowbro, and a Hollow Voltic Electric Energy. Now on to Gundam Freedom Ascension. Gunneezy, Leo, Graviton Hammer, Desalter, Cryos RGZ, Gundam Rose, Shiny Finger, Recalium, Lada Neo, Ephraim Seizure, Hushmel. Oh, Gaia Gundam, LR Plus, nice. That's cool. Alright guys, that's it for today's Pokemon Gundam pack opening. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. Then goodbye.